Hello everyone, and so today is 26 September. We made a video on 4th of April, and I want to show you a proof that since we made that video, that you know we have saved 2 million life, 20 million people. 2 million people means 20 lakh people life. Now when I go there, so for that when I see, so I have opened up this website, you know where the world statistics is there for the coronavirus. And now if I see here, uh, so right now there are, you know in total in India alone, when we see in India, uh, 6 million cases are there. 6 million cases are there. So when we made this video, the recovery time statistics was around, hovering at around lowest point, which is around 68-69%, and now it is around 98%. So from 98 to 69, the difference is around 30%. So 30% means 59, 6 million divided by 3, almost like divided by 3. So which is around 30%, which is around 2 million life, or 20 lakh people will be more, deaths by 2 million people if that statistics was not improved. And I will show you the proof that exactly from the date when I posted this video that has improved. So what is the proof? When I go here and you see this, so we posted this video on 4th of April, and I go to the 4th of April, and this is 4th of April. Now what date you are seeing there? 4th of April, right? And what is the statistics then? 69.82%. And that is the exact date we posted our video on 4th of April. Now when I say, when you go before that, if you go anywhere before that, then what is happening is, there is no improvement. It was coming down only. When you see, uh, you know this value, before that it was all coming down, but after that it is continuously improving. So from this recovery rate statistics of 69%, so from this is the proof that only from that date, which is the lowest point, it is continuously improving. And this is the point I have made in my video on 4th of April, that we have to improve recovery. There can't be more proof than this one. Okay. And now when I go here and see from 69%, so all my videos are basically helping the government and the people in the machinery. So people are taking, clue of it. From 69% it has improved to, now you go date by date. So from I go date by date, and you see, on April 4th 69, then April 7 74, then April 13 it has gone to 76, then in the April 26 it has gone to 88, in May it has gone to 90, May 9, and May 23, it has gone to 93, and then June it has touched 94. In when you see continuously it is improving, and in the month of July it has touched 95, and July 30 it has gone to around 96.5, and then in August 97, and it is continuously improving since then. From 97 still it is improving, so it has gone to 98% in September, and now it is at 98.9%. So when I see this, so what was the figure then? So April 4, when we posted video, what was the figure? The value was how much percentage? It was 69%. Okay, and minus from today's figure of 98%. So 98 minus 69 is equal to around 30%, right? So it means that we have saved 30% people life by improving this statistics. So now when I go here and I requested the government and other people to improve the statistics in that video, recovery rate statistics, and I said that that is more important in long run. We have to focus on that when we go here. And not only that, I requested even to sanitize, using public machinery and put everything under government. So they that one thing was missed was like public sanitation. So using hydrogen peroxide and other thing, if we sanitize, we can do our work also. At the same time, everything is sanitized. And there should be one more thing I suggested, because sanitization is very important. So we should create a kind of institute and machinery which is specifically look into this aspect. Now you see here, it is 59 lakh, or 6 million people. 30% of the 30% of 6 million is how much? So it is around 2 million people. And why I say this with confidence is that it is only that date, that from April 4 it is improving. No other date it has improved before. Okay, I will go back here and you can see the data again, that exactly on, see, April 4 and 5. So my video was posted on April 4, and so the thing is that whatever I do it, because I think properly about the problem, and I research on the matter, and since then you see this data is continuously, there is a continuous improvement. There is a continuous improvement since then. And before that, what was happening? You see, it was coming down. So what is the tipping point? If when I see here, what made the change? This date made the change. What was that date? April 4. And that was the exact date we posted our video. And now I will show you the video also which we posted on that date. When I have to go to my channel, and I will ask you to subscribe to my channel also, because not only you can take the material and clue, and other people, journalists also can take a clue, that because I am traveling and my own perspective I am putting, which is different from the other, and my channel is new, so you have to subscribe. And I go here, I go to YouTube, okay, and this is my channel, and in this channel I will show you the date when we posted this. So it has very
Hello guys, last time when I posted the video that about that the British,
so 30 more video, I have to go down further. April, sort by newest, okay, August, 1 month ago, 1 month ago, and 5 months ago, April 4. So this is the video I'm talking about. See, April 4 and 8. So this was April 8 here. Why? And I posted on YouTube, on Facebook. This was the date.
Hello,
I'm repeating
the
the video for you.
welcome to the update. Coronavirus cases in in India have crossed 5,300, and here's my take on it. That if we have to fight back the case, and so we have to focus on one parameter. See, what I am saying is, uh, right now, the most important parameter we want to take is your recovery rate. Now, see, India has now 5,000 cases, out of which.
So this was the time I posted this video, April 8, and I posted one more video which was actually on April 4th. So this is the exact date. When you see this, what was the date? When I say date, and so uh, so this is the date. See, April 8. So April 8 is the date when I posted this video, and I want to highlight it. I am just you know uh, okay,
Almost 160 dead out of 468 went to, so 160 are dead, 468 recovered. When I go,
see, again I go back here, April 3 4, and now go back here and play.
so 75% the population which is going through critical illness or going in ICU is getting discharged, while 25% are dead. So this is quite high. When we now when you go and see that number of cases, another thing is the number of cases which we are receiving per day is also high, which can be stopped by hygiene, maintaining high hygiene factor at ward scale. For which I feel that military should be deployed all over India, and there should be flag march for a few days, so that nothing till we come out, we should not take it lightly. India is a highly dense population, and the fear is very heavy that it might the how it will spread, we don't know. It might spread fast also, slow also, so care should be taken. Now you see this statistics. Now when I move in and go to the last point, see, on March 10, India, the death rate was almost 0%, and it is climbing, 16%, 22%, and it has reached 28, now 30. And only last few years, when I posted this video, government has started, I think, people have started looking back into the statistics, and they are focusing on the recovery rate. So we have to maintain this recovery.
So this is what I said, that government has started focusing. So it has improved. On April 4th I posted another video which was on April 4th. So I at the time I also observed, and I said government has started focusing, because from 69 I see improvement up to 74, and now
which is lower than the international average. I will show you why I'm saying it is lower than. We have to increase this to at least 95%, and it is not a rocket science. We can, if you ask any doctor, he will tell you what methods we can use to reduce this. Now see the world's average. I will show you. This is the world average. Now I told you the recovery rate in India is around 75, but the world average is right now 95. So we are almost 25% away from the world average, which means we are potentially going to see more people, more. It's not good about that compared to the other countries in terms of the people who are affected already. World over, you see that total figures have crossed almost 15 lakh cases, almost 100,000, 1 लाख लोग अभी गुजर चुके हैं, शहीद हो चुके हैं, और सही में ये एक तरह की, ये महामारी एक तरह की एक लड़ाई ही है, और हमें इसको पॉजिटिवली भी थोड़ा सा लेके अपना जो हाइजीन फैक्टर्स हैं ये उनको परमानेंटली ठीक करना चाहिए. तो ऐसे सिस्टम डेवलप करने चाहिए थ्रू दैट इट शुड नॉट कम बैक, और मे बी वी कैन क्रिएट एन इंस्टीट्यूट which is focused on that. And with this high potential, think of that if anybody comes and creates some medicine or any kind of thing, how much value it is. Right now, we have so much of scientific manpower which is sitting idle without job, joblessness, and all those claims are there since last government. And the government is doing all the right things. It is trying to whatever ways it can, but we have to do from ourselves also. But I will say that focus should be on R&D and scientific thinking. And now, when I say I want to highlight, whenever the problem comes, the country I will want to highlight is Australia. Why I want to highlight Australia? You can see the reason why. Since Australia has suffered the wildfires just before this endemic, and just before this, Australia suffered wildfire. Now in Australia, you see that out of 6,000 people infected, only 50 death. How this low figure? Compared to this, if you see 25% ratio, so compared to this 25% ratio of India, here it is only 3%. So we have to improve it. It is not, it's not lost. This we have to take from 25% to 3%. So this is the thing.
This is the
And
exact point
now, so
I
the focus
was
is
making
on
during this
this
video,
3% from 25%.
and that we have 25% death rate, or the recovery rate is around 74 at the time, and 69 before when we posted. So government has started moving from 25, we have to bring it to 3%. So when you see now, it actually moved in that path only. So this is more than a proof, not one time, two time. So April 4 it was 69, April 8 when this video was posted, it was around so when this video was posted around that time, it was like moved to 74, and now it has improved day by day since then.
Go to 3%. Now I want to take you to the statistics. How it, see, even in Australia.
So this is more than a proof that government is benefiting from my videos, my analysis, my data analysis about this, because I was essentially in the data analysis field. Now I have left India. I am in Toronto. I the thing is that I don't want to go into any I am more of a data analysis guy, and here I want to continue my life as a data analysis. So I want you to help me and subscribe to my channel. At least I when I am doing so much of hard work, and you see in the last couple of years we have done highlighted other sports, gave importance to football. IPL came, Indian Premier League came in football, another Kabaddi League came. So I suggested even to Indian sports like Gulli Danda and other thing. For that also, why not create rules and give time. People on the street like to play that, give them a chance, that play it and earn, and give the people other chance to watch them. you know the if there is something which people do it, why don't you create a proper mechanism, institution around it? So the same way, this video is also a proof that the government machinery and other people are listening and benefiting from.
Over a period of time, they have improved. See this, how I am moving from 91%, it went to 88%. At the same time, the recovery rate.
Not only that, in this video, I have shown that in UK also, every day 1,000 people were dying. And since I posted that video, it has gone down from 1,000 per day to 100 per day. So almost 90-80 per day. So average was around 80 per day. So we saved 920 lives per day since then. So if you see now, almost like 30 weeks passed. So we saved around 30,000 lives in UK also. So in India we saved around 20 lakh or 2 million life, and in UK by doing giving suggestion, obviously it is not only me, the other people, machinery, and everyone as a contribution, but I also have a small contribution. That is what I want.
Percent went all the way up to 15%, and at that time the recovery rate was 84%. And slowly, but they realized that they need to keep it high, and even the people and everyone was sensitized because of the wildfires they have suffered before. And you see that continuously they have tried to improve this recovery rate to the almost level of 98.11% right now is a recovery rate. So which means anyone going to ICU is only you can say 1.8% chance that he can die, almost 98% chance that he will survive.
So what does it prove? It only proves that when the people are good, they are giving good suggestion, all the world leaders and people are listening, and they are trying to create better system as well as to help the other people. And I am also helped by certain peoples, right? And in way I try to help people, and because I am helping people, other people also help. So I would like that if I am doing so much hard work for to help people, then if you can help me by subscribing to my channel, it will be really help. I can devote more time to help people in who are suffering
in Australia. So this statistics is varying in so many countries and so many places. When I go and see another country, if I compare, now go to UK, even you see that okay, it is advanced country, this is poor, we don't maintain. In UK, 55,000.
See, this is a proof that I was talking about, that we saved almost 30,000 to 60,000 lives in UK.
People infected. But you see here, and come down to the statistics. Here they have stopped publishing actually the recovery, but recovery rate is very very low.
So yeah, here I could not show you because that was not published on that day. But if you watch my other video of that 4th April, these statistics was there
in UK. So we have to think in India also. We have to work hard, and for a few days I think the government has done a great job lockdown, because there is, if it grows, there is nothing which can control. It is almost like uncontrollable. The only way that government can spray something which other countries are using also, hydroperoxide or I also suggested that use of scientific panel should be there to maintain this. Okay, thank you, and I will post you more interesting statistics in trying to fight this disease in a better way. Thanks all.
So you have seen, so this is the proof. Okay, so because I don't talk without proof. So you can see these my channel, and how can you subscribe? So you just search my name Sandeep, which is Sandeep Sharma, and you can subscribe. Already many subscribers are there. It is growing day by day. I have more than 90 videos, and you see I continuously I have posted these videos, and I've shown you proof that even government and other people are listening to it. So this is what I was talking about, UK government action after my stats. So I will
that the British statistics are of recovery rate statistics are very poor, and since then time, when I posted on YouTube, the British government took the notice, and their recovery times, recovery statistics were improved, and since then, the growth of COVID in UK has reduced. So, the thing is, like when I posted last time, the recovery statistics were only around 10%, which means 90% of the people going to hospital in UK were dying. And it has improved from that 10%, 90% people dying, to now around 4-5%. So this has reduced the number of.
So from 90%, at that time it was 90% people who were going to hospital were dying, and I urged the UK government to improve this from 90% dying to or 10% recovery rate to at least take it to 90%. Since then they improved. So what is the improvement? What is the improvement? I will show you in the graph. So this video, and what is the improvement? This is the improvement, you see. Now if I go here and I have to come back to UK, okay, so here if you see, here if you see, that uh, this is the world statistics. So I go to the country, and then I need to go to UK. So this is world over statistics. And uh, yeah. So now when you say here in UK, so number of cases, new death rate. So this is the exact time we posted the video. You see? You have seen what is the date it is showing? The last video, the one video I have shown was April 4, 5, and this was like when you see April 4. So total deaths were 5,000, right? And since then, in this, when you see, there is a spike. So there is a spike in cases, and when you so I don't know, my video is stuck little bit in between. So now when I go here and see this, it has, since it was rocketing up from that date, it was going up all the time. And when we urged, this government started controlling the death rate. So now when you come here, the death rate on April 5 was 644 deaths per day. And since then, when you see that was a peak of the time. What was the peak? Peak was not April 4. They took some time even to come back. So so initially they did not listen, or maybe they took time to figure it out. And April 7 it still went high, and since then it is coming down every see this April 15 it was 840. If you go back, April 1st it was 1000. April 30 it came down to 650, then 490, then 425, 250, and 87. And today you have as low as 23 per day. From 1000, when we posted this video, it has come down to 23. So we saved 1000 life per day since then. So from April 4, May 4, then June 4, July 4, August 4, and September 4, 5 months, 150 days. 150 multiplied by 1000 is 1,50,000 people's life is saved. And so that's all. Please help me and subscribe me, and I am trying to ask the better questions, and not ask the question, but I want to give, there is a framework I use, is that one problem is coming, what kind of solution I think about it, based on my field of data analysis. And so in this I try to, because right now I don't have job, so I try to earn my money from this data analysis. So, and even the government and everyone is listening since long time, and they are helping me to I am helping them in this regard. See, now in India the cases almost 6 million cases it has crossed, and it is high time because it will not stop like this. I still urge the government to spray and create a team of people to using water cannon, put hydrogen peroxide in water cannon and spray everywhere. I have shown in my Facebook and LinkedIn that how it can be done, that few people who are doing self-service in Punjab and other areas, they were doing that. Even in Dehradun some people were taking those things. So I urge you, the government, to create a machinery, because it will not come down. It is going up and up, and still I don't know what kind of situation we might face, because it's really scary right now. And I told, when there was only 5,000 cases, I made the video, and I at the time I have told that please don't think you have to be scared about this. People say that don't get scared by coronavirus thing. I urge that we should be little bit scared, and my assumption that we should be scared has come true. From only 6,000 cases, today we have 6 million cases. So from that 1,000 times jump has come. So I still urge that it is still not come down. So it is still not decreasing. I am that we have to control this, because uh, we have helped the government to save 20 lakh people life. Imagine if any of those 20 lakh, or 0.2 crore people have 200 family members in their family. So 0.2 crore multiplied by 200, it will come to around 40 crore. Almost like we have affected and saved almost one third of Indian family life by suggesting the government to improve recovery rate statistics. And it is a proof that they have moved on from the lowest point 69% to 98%. So we were able to save and affect 40 crore Indian people's life. That's all. Thank you, and see you again. Bye.